Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not
A glow up generally refers to a transformation or improvement in one's appearance or lifestyle. For a 5 to 14 age range, here are some tips for an aesthetic glow up. 1. Skincare routine. Cleansing with a gentle Start with a simple skincare routine appropriate for young. Applying sunscreen daily can make a big difference. 2. Healthy diet. Encourage a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Proper nutrition can enhance skin health and overall appearance. 3. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep skin hydrated and clear. 4. Physical activity. Engage in age-appropriate physical activities or sports to stay active and maintain a healthy body. 5. Personal hygiene. Develop good personal hygiene habits, including regular bath day, brushing teeth twice a day and grooming nails. 6. Clothing style. Experiment with different styles that make you feel confident and comfortable. Choose colors and outfits that express your personality. 7. Hair care. Keep hair clean and well-groomed. Experiment with hairstyles that suit your face shape and personality. 8. Confidence building. Work on building self-confidence and positive self-image through activities you enjoy and achievements you're proud of. 9. Sleep schedule. Establish a regular sleep schedule to ensure enough rest each night, as adequate sleep contributes to overall well-being and appearance. 10. Positive mindset. Lastly, maintain a positive mindset and focus on inner beauty and kindness towards others. Aesthetic glow up is not just about appearance, but also about feeling good from within.